Welcome everyone, and thank you for watching. We're going to be making a delicious pan-fried halibut steak dish today. Halibut meat is sweet and buttery soft. This fish is so beautiful to cook and eat. Today's recipe is very simple and the flavors are very light. We don't want to mask the fish. We want to make sure that we taste the sweetness of the fish. For today's recipe, I'll be using 3 frozen Greenland halibut steaks. Make sure that you thaw it out before you go to cook it. Let's prepare the sauce for this fish. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce to a sauce bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of rice cooking wine to the sauce bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of water to the sauce bowl and then mix really well. What I love about Chinese cooking is that you can adjust the flavor according to your family's preferences. For example, you can add a little bit more or a little bit less. You will need 3 to 4 green onion. You can use more if your family likes eating green onion. Here are the fresh ingredients you will need. You will need ginger, garlic, onion, orange peel, and of course, fresh green onion. The outer layer of the orange peel can be a little bit bitter, so what I like to do is gently scrape it off before I julienne it. You will need to julienne 1/4 of an orange peel. Julienne 3 slices of ginger. Remove the peel from half an onion and slice it. Rinse and cut your green onion into 1-inch pieces. Remove the peel on 3 cloves of garlic and dice. Once your halibut steaks have completely thawed, remove it from the bag and give them a rinse. And then you're going to pat it dry with paper towel. Let's get ready to pan fry those halibut steaks. You will need to add 3 tablespoons oil to a non-stick pan on high heat. Coat each halibut steak with a light layer of flour and then place it on the pan. Put the lid on your frying pan and fry it for 1 minute. If your steaks are bigger and thicker, you might want to try to cook it for longer so that it turns slightly brown. Once the fish turns golden brown, carefully flip the steaks over, cover, and then fry for 1 minute. When both sides of your fish look like this, you know it's ready. Remove it from the frying pan. Now let's prepare the sauce for the fish. Add the garlic, ginger, onion, and orange peel to the pan. Then sauté. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to the pan and continue to sauté for 30 seconds. Sautéing all the ingredients brings out all the flavors from your fresh ingredients. Now add the sauce that we prepared and then saute for 5 seconds. Gently glide the fish into the pan to soak up all that beautiful sauce. Then add your green onion to the pan. Gently flip the fish over and move it around so that it can soak up the sauce. Halibut steaks are flaky and they do break apart, so do not worry if that happens. It still tastes delicious. Once the fish soaks up all that beautiful sauce, it is ready to be served. Now this fish is best enjoyed hot with a bowl of rice. Halibut is one of my favorite fish because it doesn't have a really fishy taste to it. It has a soft, buttery, sweet taste to it. I hope you get a chance to try this delicious recipe. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.